Hey everyone, we're going to differentiate the function h of x with natural logs. So we're going to use this derivative formula here. And this is going to be our x, ln of x. So all you do is write h prime of x equals, and writing it this way, it's 1 divided by this piece, because that's like our x. So we have x plus square root x squared plus 1. All right. Now, you have to multiply this by, let me not finish that, the derivative of the inner function. So derivative of x is just 1, and the derivative of this is going to be x divided by square root of x squared plus 1. I'm going to show you that real quick. So if I take the derivative of this piece here, so we have x squared plus 1 to the 1/2 power, and I take the derivative of that, move that in front, so you get 1/2 x squared plus 1, and then you have to do the negative 1/2 because you're subtracting 1. Take the derivative of the inner function, that's 2x. So these 2's cancel out, and the only thing left in the numerator is this x. And this moves to the denominator so you can get rid of the negative exponent. So that's all that is. And after a while, you'll have that part memorized. I think it gets a little easier. So now all we have to do is clean this up. And the first thing I'm going to do is get a common denominator for this piece. So basically, if you have 1 plus x divided by square root of x squared plus 1, you want this 1 to have the same denominator. So this is just going to be square root of x squared plus 1 divided by square root of x squared plus 1. So I just changed this 1 to that, and that way we have the same denominator. And then when you rewrite it, this is just your common denominator, and then I'll write that out. So I'm going to erase this. If you need to copy it down, pause. So now what we have is h prime equals 1 divided by x plus square root of x squared plus 1 times, and our denominator is square root of x squared plus 1. And remember, I wrote this as x squared plus 1 plus x. All right. Now, since this is times, we can just put all this together. So this all equals, I'll put this in the numerator, just multiplying those two. So square root of x squared plus 1 plus x divided by, and just multiply these two together. So you get x plus square root of x squared plus 1 times square root of x squared plus 1. All right, and if you notice, I'll go ahead and put this in parentheses. These are the same, so they cancel out. So our final answer is going to be 1 divided by square root of x squared plus 1. And that is your derivative of h. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.